Okay, Steve's cooking raw. We're going to do some salmon, pan-fried salmon, with some cauliflower steaks in a delicious mustard sauce, Dijon mustard sauce, some sauteed spinach with some tomatoes, and a little bit of spice. It's going to be good. First, I'm going to get some olive oil on my cauliflower, rub well, and do that on both sides. Touch of salt. Again, on the other side. So gently add the steaks. And I want that chariness, I want that char flavour in those char marks first. Just press that down. And that smells amazing now. It smells fantastic. Look at that. Got some nice charred marks on there. Got that smoky taste. And that's what I'm after. That smells amazing now. Okay, so now transfer your cauliflower to a roasting tray. Gently. I use a fish slicer, it's a lot easier. Okay, so now add some olive oil again. I've got this little rub, delicious. It smells amazing. It's got smoked paprika in there, black pepper, chili flakes, onion powder, garlic powder, all that. So just put a little bit on there, on the top, not too much. Get that on. It's quite strong. Nice. Then with a brush, dab it on there, getting those nooks and crannies. It smells so good. And these go in a 425-degree oven until fork tender. Okay, for the mustard sauce, olive oil in the pan. Next, add onions. Some garlic. You just want to sweat these down. Just a touch of salt. That smells so good. Next, add Dijon mustard. And you just want to cook that out for about 2 minutes, 1 minute. And why am I cooking this mustard out? Because I want to get rid of the harshness. Dijon mustard can be pretty harsh. Next, on Worcester sauce. Worcester sauce. Give it a good stir. Little bit of apple juice. A little bit of stock. Vegetable stock. Now you want to reduce that by half. So that's reduced by half, and just add a little bit of capers, not too much. And then last, some Greek yogurt. I've turned the heat down because this will split if I boil it. So just put it in at the very end with those capers. Okay, so I've got my salmon. It's at room temperature. I'm going to cook it with some garlic, some rosemary, some thyme. I'm going to do a butter bath. It should be really, really nice. In fact, it will be nice. What am I talking about? Okay, seasoning the salmon. Like I said, this is at room temperature. Season on both sides. Little drizzle of olive oil. Rub it. Add your salmon. Hold down so it don't buckle. And you want to get that skin nice and crispy. Not a high heat, a medium heat. You don't want that skin dark and crispy before you even cooked it. Also, when you season your salmon, get it in the pan. Don't let it sit out there because salt's a cure and it'll cook it. You don't want that. Look at that, it's on a nice medium heat. The skin's getting nice and brown slowly, and also it's working its way up. So everything's cooking at the right time. Add rosemary, some thyme, some garlic, some butter. Baste. Some nice nutty brown butter. Let's brush that rosemary over that salmon. And again, baste it. Okay, for the sauteed spinach, I'm going to do some tomato, garlic. Just take out the core and just slice in half. Slice again. And that's going to take out this middle bit. Don't want that. It's watery. Then just dice. Next, add garlic. Next, add tomatoes. The tomatoes and garlic, man, smells so good. Next, add spinach. I mean, you can put a lid on there, but I'm not going to. Just gently stir it and it'll wilt down. And look at that now. 30 seconds later, it's nice and wilted. Now at the end, just a little touch chili flakes. And that, my friends, is done. So there you have it. That is my pan-fried salmon with cauliflower steak, sauteed spinach with tomatoes, and a Dijon caper sauce. That is absolutely delicious, and it smells amazing. Enjoy.